yes. Yes. This needs to be on your list, okay? Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the Frag View, coming to you with another video review. And today, we got it. Hey, we got the new floral collection from ZARA. So if you're interested in my initial thoughts, just keep watching. Hello, family. Hey, we're back. Oh, hey, family. Welcome. Hey, if you are new to this channel, we are all family around here, okay? This village is bomb.com. So if you want to subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Honey, we are sisters, brothers, cousins, aunties, uncles. Hey, we are all family around here. So if you want to be a part of the family, come on and join. And to my current family, what's up, family? You've been hitting your sis up in them comment sections. Hey, I'm so excited. So excited to be engaging with you all and meeting you all. But hey, we ain't come for all that. We came to get into it. And yo, sis, honey, this ain't sponsor, but it is sponsored by a special someone, DJ Hercules. Honey sent me these fragrances so that we can review them. And honey, my sis Kelly said, Miss Joe, keep them coming. And shit up, okay? I don't know what's up with Joe. Miss Joe, honey, the coins, they had to be sponsored this time because the sponsorship and the coins is gone. So, but I am excited. Thank you, DJ Hercules. Hit him up on TikTok. He all over the place. So hit him up. But we thank the family, the village thanks you. Okay, let's get into it. Okay. What I was most excited to smell is this exotic mimosa. Now, I tell you why I am so excited to smell this. And this is my initial thoughts. To me, I know that, we can wear it and test it and come and give you all a review. But honey, when you first purchase something, it's going to be your initial thoughts. So you might as well get your sis initial thoughts for you to see if you need to pick this up or not. Do you need to save the coins or not? So, you're welcome. But let's get into it, honey. I'm excited because I have Jo Malone's Mimosa and Cardamom. Okay. And if you all know, you know. If you don't, let me tell you. You need to pick this up. This is probably, and I have not smelled the entire Jo Malone, Okay, if you are not new to this channel, okay. I purchased the smaller bottles of Jo Malone. Why? Because they don't last long. And so putting my coins towards something that I know doesn't last long doesn't always sit well with me. So a sis always buys the smaller bottle, but this is one of my favorites that I have gotten from Jo Malone, and she is a beauty. This is summer, this is spring, summer, this all seasons, okay? And honey, yo sis does this. Yo sis laughs at herself and laughs. Honey, we have fun around on this channel. So if you want to join this village, okay, subscribe, because we have fun around here. Okay. Honey, get this. Get this. This needs to be on your list. But we ain't come for all of this. Sis, we ain't come for, we came for the ZARA. Okay. So let's smell Mimosa, exotic mimosa. And it came in this packaging. Now, I think I like this packaging. You probably won't be able to see because there you go. It's white. And I got a white background. Okay. But I love the packaging, and I think this is Jo Malone's floral Floral Collection. They didn't really say what the name of the collection was. Joe keep producing them too much more. Like, you can't even think of a name. I guess we just gonna call it the Floral Collection. All right, let's get into it. Okay, this is not Mimosa and Cardamom. Okay. Now, Joe Malone, what's up with this baby powder? Maybe I need to let it dry. Let me let it dry down. Okay, let me talk about the packaging. It has this now. Now this fancy. It got a little wood, a little faux wood on the top. Honey, Miss Joe trying to be fancy. Okay, Sis Kelly, she trying to be fancy. But okay, let's get into it. Honey, hey, baby powder.
Wait, baby powder? Smell that is. You changing diapers?
Again, so, but it does have a green note in this. I smell the green. It's very powdery. I do not smell maybe a faint of the mimosa. Very faint. Like, can't smell it. Like, the powder just comes out more strong. Okay. Oh, Joe. I started off with my first one. Joe. Miss Joe. Okay. No, I don't think so. I don't think so. Man, I don't think so. But if you like a powdery smell and you like a green powdery smell, I smell a little hint of the mimosa, but not very strong. This might not be my favorite. Oh gosh. Okay. Oh no. Okay. I'm not saying it's a oh no, but maybe not for me. Okay, just not for me. Okay, let's move on. So we have the orange flower balloon. Okay, again, same packaging. Let's get this. Oh, Joe. No, and I'm gonna tell you, on this channel we gonna speak truth, right? Sorry, Zara. I probably will never be sponsored by y'all, but we gonna speak truth. When I first smelled this, you know what I thought about? You know the fairgrounds when they be having the animals, the cows, and the horses, and the manure. Is it the manure or the poop or the? It smelled like farm show to me. It gave me farm show. Oh, you know what? Maybe I need to spray this on skin. And I'm going to spray the mimosa on skin because maybe the paper's not doing it justice because, Joe, I don't know. This floral collection is not starting out too good. Okay. So this is the orange flower bloom. Okay, on skin, I don't get a heavy farm show smell. So maybe you have to spray it on skin, but it's still not my favorite. Sis, that didn't make it better. I can't even give you like what you would have to like. You definitely would have to like a floral smell. I don't even smell like, they say it's supposed to have like some honey in it. No. Let's go back to the mimosa. Yeah, I smell a little faint of the mimosa, but it is powdery. That powder just like slaps you in the face. Moving on. Okay, clear honeysuckle. Okay, let me open it. Same. Now the package in the bottle is cute. The smell. Let's see. Love her. I do smell the jasmine. They talk about the jasmine. I do smell the orange blossom. You do have to like a white floral. Like this, yes. 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 This needs to be on your list. Okay. Clear honeysuckle. Okay. Okay. Yes. Put that in the cart. That's a good one. That is a good spring, and it's light. And it gives you fresh. So definitely during this hot now, honey, what's y'all temperature? Okay. Leave me y'all temperature instead of the day. What's y'all temperature like around here in these parts? Honey, we in the triple digits? Losing my mind. So this is a good freshie. Fresh floral does give you that jasmine, so you do have to like a jasmine. If you don't like jasmine, this is not gonna be for you, okay? But if you like jasmine, some orange blossom, pick this up. All right, Miss Joe. 1 for 2. 1 for 2. Okay, let's see. This last one is Future Rose. All right, let's see. Future Rose. Ooh! Oh my gosh, but this gives me something. Ooh. You know what? This puts me in the mind of like a Dolce and Gabbana, another Dolce and Gabbana, like the ocean, but not light blue. I'm not saying light blue, but or maybe Miss Dior. This might even give me Miss Dior blooming. This might give me Miss Dior blooming. The pink bottle, maybe. I don't know. Hold that thought. All right, she's back. You know she had to go to the lab. You know what, I'm thinking of something. On this channel, we are going to see what it do, if it compare, if it does. Honey, we just gonna see. Hello, we're here. Miss Dior bouquet, or blooming bouquet, excuse me. Or bouquet. Whichever. Okay, let's see if it's a similar dupe or whatever. Okay. I think Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet, I think it has more of a powdery, it has more of a stronger powdery note in it, but honey, they sisters. They're sisters. They might not be dupes of each other just because the powdery comes in, but these are in the same wheelhouse. So if you like this, you're probably definitely gonna like this. You are gonna like this. Like, this gives me same vibes. Same vibes. Oh, I like it. Like it. Let me put it on my skin. I like it. Yes, but you know what? Oh, you know what? Let me tell you what else is a difference. This has a powdery, right? What I said. This gives you a little bit of a citrus, okay? It has the citrus. This has the more powdery, but it gives you the same vibe on the dry down. Ooh, yes. Okay. Now let's do a roundup of what I think. Okay. So I think my top is going to have to be my first pick would be the clear honeysuckle. I think the first pick, clear honeysuckle. Like, I do like this. I like the fresh that gives it. I like the sweet note it gives. This is a really good one. Love this one. Okay, my number one. Number two, do we really have to think about it? It's going to be Future Rose, okay? Now, if you are not a rose lover, that does not mean cancel this out, sis. Okay? That does not mean cancel it out. Okay. If you like, again, Miss Dior, Blooming Bouquet, you're going to like this, okay? Now, these both, to me, lean more feminine, okay? To me, leans more the feminine side. Is it unisex? I don't get unisex vibe, but if you want to wear it, cousin, brother, who's saying something? Not your sis, not me. I'm not saying nothing. Okay, you gonna smell good either way. Okay. So again, number two. Number three. I would have to go with the exotic mimosa, number three. Okay. This to me lean more powdery. It gave me a faint scent of the mimosa. It doesn't produce. It is not, by no stretch of the imagination, okay? But it did give me slight smell of the mimosa, okay? And who don't like a mimosa? I'm not gonna tell you business. Okay, moving on. And last, I will put this on my list, so this is gonna be fourth because somebody might like this, right? You might, I'm not gonna say you like a barnyard, but you might like, I just don't. It's not for me. Is it unisex? I think this whole collection, I think that the only thing that might be more unisex would be the exotic mimosa, okay? I don't know about this. Y'all might want to let me know. I don't think so. But I don't think this really fits anyone, but it might fit you. Just let me know. I don't know. Okay. That's all. That is all we have for the floral collection. That's my thoughts, my initial thoughts. If I wear it and play with it more, I might come back with another video, just kind of giving you an update. But again, let me know what you're wearing, sis. Are you going to pick up the floral collection? I might not have made it sound all cutesy and bubbly, but at least you got some 2 picks to put in your cart. Okay? I'll put my stamp on that. But guys, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for your support. Love you, family. Make sure that you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you more. Bye, family.